Now it comes to the Beer Centenary Diamond. Is this colorless diamond named after the Beer Consolidated Mines is classified with the highest grade of colorless diamond, which means that's a grade that was a grade of like D colors. That's meaning it is internally and externally flawless, and it weighs 273.5 carats, and the cost is 84.2 million euros. And then it comes to the Hope. So this mystical 45.52 carats diamond, that it seems to be a blue in color to the naked eye, but that under ultraviolet lights it gets a red phosphor look. So it was saying and believed that the diamond is cursed and bringing bad luck to anyone who owns it. It was stolen from a Hindustan statue, and when the priests found to be cursed, it had been kept afterwards in the Museum of Washington, D.C. It costs 250 million euros. And then the Cullinan, so the largest rough gem quality ever found, and it is incredibly large with 530.2 carats and has been dubbed the Great Star of Africa. Currently, it is the part of the British crown jewel and cost 337 million euros. Now it comes to the Sancy. This kind of yellow diamond in the French crown jewel, you can find the collection in the Paris, and it was named after Nicolas de Harlay, and that Signou de Sancy, who was a French soldier and diplomat from the 16th of century. The pale yellow diamond is 55.23 carats and shaped like a shield. As the diamond is very rare and expensive, so the exact value is unknown. Now it comes to one of the most expensive diamond brands of the world, that's Kohinoor. So this 105.6 carats, which is a finest white diamond, has changed his ownerships at many times since it was discovered in the year of 1294. The various Sikhs, then Mughals, and the Persian rulers owned it, and they lost due to the country's losses after the war. In 1850, the name Kohinoor means of the mountain of the light was confessed by the British East India Company, and now it is the property of the British Crown. So the exact price of Kohinoor diamond, which is unknown, but it was believed that that can be estimated of that 1 billion euros. Thank you.